What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Attentive SMS platform and its different features. So Attentive is a great platform that you can use to create like SMS marketing campaigns for your website and your business, and also to create automated messages that you can send to your clients or your subscribers, so that when they do certain actions, like in this demo right here, when they leave, for example, a product in their cart on your website, you can program it to send them a text message to like remind them that they have products left in their cart and if they want to check out. So and the great thing also about it is that you can set it to do like automated responses and like a chatbot on your website. So or sorry, on via SMS. Like you can send messages to your clients and they can reply if they want like to ask a question or if they have something to ask about, and it will respond automatically. Like for example, if they want to ask about the price of an item or like the different sizes and like variants of an item, like size, colors and so on, they can get a quick reply that will tell them like how much is this item, and like the sizes, the variants and so on. So they can learn much more about the product before even going to the page of the product itself, so they can decide if it's good for them to buy. And this engages their attention to be more interested in viewing your product and eventually buying it. So it's a great platform, and let's get right to it. First of all, you need to go to the attentive.com website or simply search on Google for Attentive SMS Marketing, and you will land on their page right here. So this is their homepage or their main page right here. They say it's the world's #1 conversational marketing platform. And you can maximize your with intelligent one-on-one SMS and email. So that's what I was talking about. So you can send messages and get like interact with your clients on their messaging app. And so you can also do email marketing campaigns. So that's pretty cool. You can do both. You can send messages or send emails. However, we will focus on the messaging capabilities for this video. And if you scroll down, you can see like a look on some of the brands that are using Attentive to scale their businesses. And you can watch a video that can guide you through the like how to set up your SMS campaigns and how to start sending them. And if you scroll down, you can see some of the features of the platform. So you can scale with their playbook. You can grow your list, your SMS list, or your clients list. You can target the right audience. You can integrate seamlessly your Attentive account with other like applications created by the same provider or by the same developer, compliance and deliverability and so on. And here you can view their products. We will do that in a second, and view some statistics, some like testimonials and so on. So that was like an overview of the home screen. Now you can see why Attentive. So if we click on why Attentive right here, you can like see some information about why you should like select Attentive over other competitors. So they say they give you like SMS and email messaging or email campaigns or email marketing. And here you can personalize every interaction with like your clients. So here they are, if they ask like a certain question, you can, or the like the bot can reply, or they can get an automatic reply for this specific question that you do set it. And here you can also use the power of AI. So you can here create automated campaigns, as you can see, with AI, with like attractive titles to further attract your customers to view and buy your products. You can also view enterprise grade campaigns. So this is like a campaign with many professional like tools, as you can see. And they give you, comparing to other platforms, they give you like 2 times higher SMS revenue, 95% higher triggered email revenue, and as well as 2 times higher ROI or return on investment. So these are pretty good numbers. Now let's take a look at their products. Here they have many products related to messaging. You can engage customers with text messages. You can send messages knowing that they are delivered, so they promise you high deliverability, and concierge, so your clients can get replies with messages in seconds. Here you have emails, you have list management, and also you have integrations. You have attentive AI, so that's the new way to create campaigns with AI. And here we will focus on the messages, as I told you. Now, if you click on resources, you can go to their blog, you can go to webinars to learn more about the platform and its features and how to use it. And you can view more info about the company. Now, if we go to SMS right here in products, here they tell you that you can create conversations that convert. So as you can see here, that's like a live demo of one of the conversations. So the bot here replies to messages, and as you can see, it convinced the customer to go ahead and add the product to their cart. And here, as you can see, some numbers and statistics and so on. And you can learn more about the top brands that use text messaging to engage consumers and drive revenue, as well as some demos here to create personalized and engaging experience. And you can learn more here about the audience manager, and you can create and send the contents easily in a few clicks using the AI that I told you about. And here, what you can do now is click on sign in if you already have an account, to sign into your account. And if you do not have an account, unfortunately, you cannot sign up directly to an account. However, you can click on get demo right here, and they'll ask for your business email, your industry, and your phone number to schedule an appointment with one of their specialists. And you can also click on this chatbot right here, and you can here have the option to schedule your demo. So they give you some options. I already clicked on schedule my demo. And as you can see here, they can schedule a 15 minutes meeting to discuss how you can use the platform. And they ask you the same questions, like your business email first, and then your phone, and so on. And once you create your account and go into your account, you can use all these tools, as I showed you, to further increase the size of your business and drive consumers to go ahead and buy your products. So that was basically a quick overview of the Attentive SMS platform and how you can use it to create SMS campaigns and create one-on-one SMS conversations to further grow your business and drive more audience to your website and increase your sales.